No, you need to steer while moving. Make sure you pump your brakes a couple of times. There's still air in the lines. You're doing good. I'm gonna move the forklift here in a little bit, so. Yeah, about 4 or 5 foot. Okay. Call it good there.
How do I turn it off?
Turn the key off. The ignition clip.
Oh, inside?
Yeah. Here I'm. See, she wouldn't turn the key off. Well.
Okay, so I'm not used to it yet.
Forward is back though.
And I'm working on the door panel.
It's not broken. It just doesn't have the handle on it right now. So it's not actually broken.
So I'm working on the door panel. I'm trying to fix those. And I'll get a video on those hopefully soon. But she does run.
And drove forward again.
Just gotta have some tuning and some practice.
Hey, forward come back. It skipped the car show, but forward come back. So
We'll just gotta figure out what we did in order to keep it that way.
yeah. All right. Well, we'll get this shut down for now.
Like and follow.